Good day, I am Jeric Siparocha, 20 years old from Buzurubio, Pangasinan, and our instructor in Networking 102 is Sir Philip Michael Awanan, and today I will be sharing our school's university vision, mission, and core values, as well as the lessons I have learned from Networking 101 under the guidance of my instructor. Our University of Eastern Pangasinan vision: a leading local university known to develop excellent and virtuous professionals who are catalysts of progress for both the local and global communities. Our school's mission: University of Eastern Pangasinan is dedicated to producing highly competent and morally Europeans through innovations, industry-focused education, sustainable research, and values-based curriculum. We commit to shaping ethical trailblazers, bringing our principle-centered culture, defining our values of Makajos, Marunong, and Malinis. Our university core values are U for uprightness, E for excellence, and P for passion. And the lesson I learned in Networking 101 are the fundamentals of networking, such as the importance of communication systems and how data travels across networks, and the essentials protocols that make the internet work. And also, this subject taught me the value of teamwork, problem solving, and adaptability in the field of technology. I would like to thank my instructor from our last SEM subject, Networking 101, Sir Philip Michael Awanan, for his guidance, knowledge, and support throughout this course. That concludes my presentation for today. Thank you very much for listening.